Can you use the PHLster Enigma with the Shield Easy? The short answer is yes, you can. The fine print says that you would need to purchase a standard Enigma, add a compatible holster from the fit guide, and assemble it yourself according to the instructions. However, if you have a Shield Easy chambered in 380, we highly recommend that you go with Henry Holster's pre-assembled Enigma. This will save you lots of time and completely bypass potential assembly mistakes. That said, if you have the 9mm Easy, there are several holster options listed in the fit guide, so be sure to choose one with the features you prefer. And if you're not really sure what kind of holster you need, try the one from JM Custom Kydex. We highly recommend their Enigma shell. And if you're new to concealed carry, just keep in mind that the Shield Easy is a large gun and not every body type can conceal it very well. If the gun takes up more than 40% of your hip-to-hip distance, then you're probably in for quite a challenge. You can watch this concealment percentage video to learn more about your concealment percentage with the Easy or any other gun you might be considering. Another question we get is, why don't you make a pre-assembled Enigma Express for the M&P Shield Easy? The short answer is that we don't want you to be disappointed with your concealment results. The Shield Easy is a perfectly fine gun for shooting at the range, but the people who are most likely to purchase it for concealed carry, which are petite women, usually have a hard time concealing it. It's kind of a struggle bus gun. It's basically the same size as a Glock 19, which is huge relative to the torso size of the average person trying to carry it. And because most folks who buy the Shield Easy are new to concealed carry, they're often disappointed with the concealment they can achieve when trying to wear it with their normal wardrobe. People purchase the Shield Easy because they want a gun that's easy to rack, which is perfectly understandable. Slides can be difficult to rack, especially if you're new to shooting or have physical limitations. And unfortunately, most shooters are actually never taught how to rack a slide with the correct technique, which leads a lot of folks to assume they need a light racking gun when they really don't. Racking a slide is largely a matter of technique and confidence. Most, but not all people, can successfully rack a regular 9mm slide when using the correct technique. In fact, after shooting the Shield Easy for a while, many people find they can actually graduate to a regular gun. If this is you and you would like to learn more about the proper technique for racking your slide, we'll leave a very detailed and very helpful article linked down in the description box below. That said, even with the best technique, not everyone will be able to rack a slide. There's certainly a valid market segment for the light racking concealed carry guns, and if you need one and you're struggling to conceal the Shield Easy, you may want to take a look at the Sig Sauer P365 380 instead. It's easy to rack, light recoiling, and way easier to conceal, especially for the petite frame. Shouldn't I carry the gun I shoot best though? Yes, there's nothing wrong with carrying a large gun if that's what you are comfortable and proficient with. Just plan on making some notable wardrobe concessions to conceal well, and keep in mind that it's likely to have a negative effect on your physical comfort and range of motion when carried. Fortunately though, we have a ton of resources to help with that, but there's really only so much you can do. You can't fight the laws of physics. Carrying large guns requires knowledge and technique. Realistic expectations are key here. With the right skills, you can make the best out of even a difficult gun. Expect to take some time and experiment at home with different techniques. It's not necessarily an easy road, but you'll learn a lot along the way. If you're struggling with concealment and would like to learn more, please consider navigating to the Learn portion of our website and learn more about the basics of concealment principles in the drop-down menu there, or follow the link down in the description box below and watch through our concealment playlist.